Dear students, welcome to mathematics class. I am Sunil, mathematics teacher, Sri Satyasai Lokaseva High School, Alike. Here to give an introduction to polynomials. Students, before going to understand the polynomials, you should know that a simple concept, that is term. What do you mean by term? Let us see, let us consider an example 2x. In this example, 2 is called constant and x is called variable. By using previous knowledge, can you tell me what is constant and variable? Yes, constant, it has a fixed value. Variable, it has no fixed value. So these are called constant and variables. Consider one more example, 3/2 into y. In this example, 3/2 is called what? Yes, constant, and y is called variable. In these two examples, we have the combination of constant and variable are connected by multiplication and here division. So, the combination of constant and variables are connected by multiplication and division is called term. Or a term is either a single number or a variable or group of or product of several numbers and variables. In 2x, 2 is a numerical coefficient of x, and in this set 3/2 is the numerical coefficient of y. Consider second example, 7x plus 2. In this 7x plus 2, 7x and 2 are the two terms. In 7x, 7 is the constant and x is the variable. Together they connected by multiplication, and plus 2, 7x and 2 are connected by addition. Next, second, 7x square by 2 plus 5x minus 9. In this set, there are three terms, 7x square by 2, 5x and 9 are the three terms. 7/2 is the coefficient of x square, 5 is the coefficient of x, and 9 is the constant. By considering these two examples, we can say combination of constant and variable with the multiplication and addition. Here the combination of constant and variables connected by multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. So a combination of constants and variables are connected by algebraic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called algebraic expression. One question for you, is 3x an algebraic expression? Yes, 3x is an algebraic expression because it satisfies the condition of definition of a algebraic expression. 3 is the constant and x is the variable are connected by multiplication. Next question, is 4 is a constant, is 4 an algebraic expression? No, 4 is not an algebraic expression because an expression should have at least one variable and one operation to be algebraic. So here there is no variable and no algebraic operation. So 4 is called term, not an algebraic expression. Next example, 2 by 7 x square plus 3x minus 4. It's an algebraic expression. In this algebraic expression, 2 by 7 x square, 3x and 4 or minus 4 are the three terms. Similarly, 2 by 7 is a constant and numerical coefficient of x square. 3 is a constant and numerical coefficient of x, and minus 4 is a constant. The three terms are combination of constant and variables are connected by addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So it is called an algebraic expression. Students, in these three examples, observe that all the variables of a constant or the variables in the examples are with the positive powers or non-negative integral powers. So, an algebraic expression in which the variables have non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. What is the definition of polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the variables have non-negative integral powers. See, non-negative integral power x power plus 1, in this set y power plus 1 non-negative, which means positive power, x power plus 1 positive power, in this set x power 2, x power plus 1, x power plus 1, in the last set x power 2, 3 x power plus 1. All the variables have positive powers or non-negative integral powers. So these are all called polynomials. One question for you: is 1 by x square minus 9 a polynomial? Check whether 1 by x square minus 1 is a polynomial or not. 1 by x square minus 9, in the next step, if you multiply the denominator of 1, that is x power 2, with the 1, we get the power of the variable, that is x, plus 2 becomes minus 2. 1 into x power minus 2 minus 9. X power minus 2. Check, is x power minus 2 which satisfy the condition of the definition of polynomial? No, because the main condition or important condition is that the variables should have the positive powers. In this set, x power plus 2 becomes x power minus 2 in its simplified form. So we cannot say 1 by x square minus 9 is a polynomial. By this, we conclude that all the polynomials are an algebraic expression, but all algebraic expressions are not polynomial except constants. Why? I will explain in the next class. Thank you.